Hi guys, in front of me is OnePlus Nord CE Lite, and let me show you how to activate developer options on this device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select about device, and then click on version. Here you will notice build number, so just tap on it 7 times, then draw your unlock pattern, and as you can see, from now on you are a developer. So let me go back. And now you'll be able to find developer options under system settings. Just scroll all the way down, and here you've got developer options. You can smoothly use all of them. It's enough to just tap on some particular option and then activate it. And then whenever you wish to switch developer panel off, just unmark the stop switcher. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.